In the watch review world, knowledge is key. The more info you have before you pull the trigger, the easier the ability to make educated watch buying decisions. This may be diminished if you don't have an unboxing within the first 48 seconds.
And the clock is ticking.
CASIO GSHOCK CASIOAK SKELETON. Transparent, translucent, it's clear. One of the best affordable G-Shock designs on the planet. But is it perfect? It's subjective, and I'm going to leave that up to you. But it has a ton of features and highlights. The specs are the same as its brothers and sisters here. They're here for you, no problem. I'll post them up there. Features include analog and digital time display, stopwatch, world timer, 31 zones, countdown timer, and 5 alarms. LED and lume capabilities with day date and 12 and 24-hour display. And don't forget the carbon core guard protection and that 200 meters of water resistance. The octagonal 45mm Royal Oak design case with that 33mm matte gray dial and white accents. Even better visibility than the Panda model. Now watch out. We have some issues I've seen online. Some moisture bleed under the bezel. Interesting. I don't know if it was a case specific to the owner's watch or whether or not this is a generalization of the actual watch itself when it comes to the water resistance. Not to mention, we've heard of some aging and yellowish discoloration depending on how long you've had the watch and what elements it's been exposed to. And let us not forget the plastic strap. Yes, it does appear a little bit inexpensive and it's not as soft as like a polyurethane rubber, but it gets the job done. It's durable, no problem, and lightweight. Sits on the wrist, no problem. Now the G-Shock is synonymous with style, strength, and protection. Let's not forget the great cost. We're looking at $149 Canadian here in Canada, sold at several authorized dealers and online resources. Now it's slick, it's unique, and packs a punch. Suitable for almost any activity. The protection here is just unstoppable. Work, sports, hiking, snowboarding, construction, you name it. It's a G-Shock. What more can I say? I'm Ross. Thanks for watching. Do your thing with the like, help out the channel. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when the next video drops. Boom, it's that simple. Subscribe, and thank you very much for all your time and support. Keep coming back to the channel. I'm coming back. We'll see you on the next one.